Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer money between accounts in Wise. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is simply have to access your Wise app first and add in your email address and password accordingly. Tap on login. If you got any trouble on your logging in, tap on trouble logging in and you can reset your password as well. Once you're done with that, you're going to be going to your home section, and from over there simply go to and check your balance and tap on and simply set up the withdrawal. The next step would be selecting the balance you want to withdraw from. Once you have selected the particular balance or the fund that you hold, you're going to be simply go ahead, tap on the withdraw from and go to the third step. In the third step, you simply have to enter the details of the withdrawal, which will inquire you to simply add the amount and the currency you want to withdraw in. Once you add in the amount and the currency, then you're going to simply go ahead and tap on continue to apply the withdrawal. At the fourth step, you have to simply confirm the account you want to withdraw. Now here what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, go to the internal account information, you're going to get it, and in the transfer account section you're going to add your own account's name, including the account number, account holder's name, account number, the bank name, and the routing number if required. Once you have added all of the information and checked it, tap on send money, review it, confirm, and you're good to go. That is basically how it's done. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.